Have you ever created an amazing presentation in NotebookLM only to realize that once you export it as a PDF, editing it in PowerPoint becomes almost impossible? You either have to recreate every slide from scratch or spend hours making tiny changes one by one. Well, what if I told you that there is a much faster way? In this video, I'm going to test a tool called PDNob PDF editor to see if it can convert NotebookLM's PDF presentations into fully editable PowerPoint files while keeping the original layout, formatting, and design intact. We'll find out whether it really delivers on its promise or if it's just another PDF converter with big claims. I'll walk you through the entire process, show you how its OCR technology recognizes text from your NotebookLM PDF, and reveal just how much editing you will actually need to do afterward. So if you are using NotebookLM to create presentations for work, school, research, or client projects, and you've been looking for a way to edit your exported slides without rebuilding everything from scratch, then you are going to want to watch this until the end. Let's get started. Let's say we are on our NotebookLM, which you can access by coming to notebooklm.com over here, and you can say try Gemini Notebook because that's a new name, Gemini Notebook, no more NotebookLM. So let's say you've logged in with one of your accounts and you have checked in one of the, maybe you've created a notebook, or if you don't have any notebook, you can go ahead and click here, either here or here, to create your new notebook. Sources can come from different aspects. For example, you can search directly online, or you can use the web, or Drive, or Fast, or deep research, depending on your choice. And you can upload files, YouTube URLs, or website URLs, Drive, or copy text just to serve as your sources. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you one of the notebooks that I have created, this one, AI in Higher Education, and I have used it to create a presentation that I would like us to take a look at. So let's say I'm going to use this, Mastering the Art of High Impact Presentations, which I have searched for the sources. You can see the sources in here, and this is a quick summary of what we have. This is a chat area, and as usual in NotebookLM, you have the studio area. This is where you create presentations using this, okay, the slide deck feature. You can click on this, and then you can create presentations based on the sources or some selected sources. Once you click on this arrow, you have that option to define the format of the presentation and the language, the length, as well as the sources. When you click on this, you can select or deselect any source that you are trying to use. So once you confirm this, you can give specific details as regards how you want the presentation to look like, or the areas you want it to cover. So assuming I have created a simple presentation with this is the one I have just created by using the slide deck feature. Let me just click so that you can have a look at what I have created. You can see the director's playbook, mastering the stage. You can see the slides. Let me make it full screen so you can see it slide by slide, slide by slide. You can even play it from the beginning if you are interested. You can play, and you can be able to move from one slide to another, from one slide to the next, from one slide to the next. Okay, so this is quite fantastic. Now the problem is when you come to export this slide from this three dots, you can export it in PDF or in PPTX, but the same thing in each case, editing this particular slide becomes a problem. Now, the tool that we're going to use, like I've explained at the beginning, is PDNob PDF editor. This is very powerful. So let's say we are going to download this in PDF, and let's say we have it in here being downloaded. So let's open it. Now we can right click on this and open with, and then we can see PDNob, Tenorshare PDNob. Okay, so this is it. Once you are here, you now have your slides opened. Okay, so you are open to all of these features. We check from the home page. You can merge, eraser, use edit all, and so on. Comment. You can comment on the document. You can edit. You can convert it to different formats, and then you can kind of do page, look at the pages and protect, and even develop a form out of it, and check a look at other tools as well. So for this, let's say we are going to use the OCR feature to be able to convert some of this into editable slides. So let's say we're going to use this particular slide, hover over here and say perform OCR. Now you have the option to edit only the current page. If you want to do page range, current page, or you can do all pages, or you can do editable text, searchable text, or text only. You can do that, or you can do custom page directly, and then you can specify which pages that you want to do. So for example, I can say select edit 1 to 5, or you can do current or all pages, and then you can specify the document language from here, and you can check out on the advanced settings. I want to keep it at default, and I want to do page 1 to 5, and I can just go ahead and say perform OCR. Now let's just give this some seconds so that we can build. All right, so like you can see right now, it has finished, and you can see all of the features are editable. Okay, so you can see the text itself is editable, this one is editable, this is editable. You can see, you can just click and you'll be able to have access to all of these editing features, which means you can edit this directly on your own. Okay, so you can play around with the text feature. You can even move some of this if you want. So you can see, you can even select the text and maybe change the coloration if you are interested in changing the coloration. For example, we can make this red. As you can see, it is now red. Now you can change the alignment, you can change the text color, you can change the size as well from here, change the font style. You have all of these basic editing features as well. So this is the power of PDNob. Okay, very interesting. You can see all of the elements are now separate. Okay, so you can edit them and you can move them as well if you're interested in moving them. Okay, very easily. Now you can see this one as well is something that you can select, and then you can be able to play around with some of the features. You can see very nicely done. So this is one of the things I like about PDNob. It is very powerful, and once you are done editing everything, you can just go ahead and save this if you're interested. Once you are done editing all the elements, you can just save, and it's going to save it as a different file, okay, PDF. So it's very easy to carry out basic editing once you've done the OCR on the page. And you can see right now, this one just gives us page 1 to 5, which is our target even at the beginning. So please go ahead, utilize the PDNob, see how you can use it to your own advantage, generate the slides that you have, and you can easily work on them to perform OCR on them and have all the elements editable by this PDNob feature. So just go ahead, download it. I'll put the link in the description and in comment in this video, and you can use that as well. So sincerely, thank you very much for watching this video up to this point, and I do hope you have learned something so seriously. Thank you, and see you around.